Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change country or region on Battle.net. Okay, hey gamers, are you moving to a new country or do you need to update your Battle.net account region? So whether it is for accurate billing, unlocking regional content, or syncing your accounts with your new location, this guide has got you covered. So let's just go ahead and dive in. The first thing before initiating the change, ensure that your Battle.net account is in good standing. This means no outstanding issues or restrictions. Also verify that your account information is up to date to avoid any hiccups during the process. Important notice, if you have any remaining Battle.net balance, you will need to spend it before changing your country. Blizzard's policy states that any remaining balance will be lost upon changing your country and they cannot convert currency, so make sure to use up your balance to avoid losing funds. Now let's navigate to the country/region tool. Head over to the Battle.net page, and once you get to the Battle.net page, I'd like you to head over to your profile name, which is pretty much at the top right corner. And once you do that, you're going to see from all of these options, account settings, wish list, my gift. Go ahead and click on account settings, and that's going to take you right into your account settings page. And from there, I'm definitely going to show you what to do. So it's loading up. So from here, check the left navigation menu. You're going to find account overview, account details, games and subscriptions. Also, you have parental control, security, privacy and communication, connections, payment method, transaction history, and download Battle.net. So go ahead and click on the second option, which is account details. So once you see the account details here, you're going to see that the first option says personal information. You have your name and then you have country/region. So go ahead and click on this update to the pencil icon attached to it. It's going to take you here. So from here, you'll see that you can change your name and select the country here. If you click on country, you see that this is not enabled, so it means you cannot update your country or region from here. Well, now you have something at the banner here that says please contact customer service to update your name or your country. So go ahead and click on country, and once you click on country, it's going to take you to the customer service section where you can now submit a support ticket. You need to submit a ticket to let them know that you want to change your country. Okay, first off, I would like you to know that Blizzard offers a self-service tool for changing your country or region. So if eligible, so you'll be prompted to use this tool. If not, you need to support the tickets with the required information. So you can change this by using the, so you can enable this. If you're unable to do so, then you need to just follow it manually. You need to follow it manually. Okay, so just go ahead and follow the prompts. Okay, so you can just go ahead and click on country, change, self-service, click on this hyperlink and follow the prompt. All right, but if you're not able to do that, just go ahead and click on contact us here and at the bottom and follow the prompt to submit the ticket. So if the self-service option is not available, follow the on-screen instructions to change your country or region. So you need to authenticate the change using one of the following methods, including SMS code sent to your registered phone number, authenticate your code from your mobile device, and government issued ID. So if the self-service still isn't available, you need to submit the tickets with the following. Number one, a legible image of a recent utility bill or similar document that includes your name and your address, and ensure the document clearly shows your name and your address to verify your residency. So to submit your ticket, like I said, so just go to contact us, and once you click on contact us, go ahead and click on choose accounts, click on choose account details, click on change Battle.net account, country or region. Follow the prompts to submit your ticket along with the required documentation. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done you'll be good to go. I'd like you to know that after submitting your request, Blizzard support team will review your documentation. Processing times can vary, but you should receive a response within a few days. Keep an eye on your email for updates.